another quick tip to get a perfectly crisp painted line. I promise you, if you use this trick, your paint will not bleed through. And the two colors, whatever two colors you're using, will look crisp and sharp. All you have to do is use your original paint color and paint it over the painter's tape before painting your second color. So here, as you can see, I'm using the sand castle, and I'm just adding a little bit right over the painter's tape on the top. I let that dry, and then I go in with my coffee bean, or whatever your secondary color may be. Now this works just fabulous. Here, while my second color is still wet, I'm removing the painter's tape, and a little bit of heat allows it to remove really easily. And check out this high contrast. You have the light, the dark, but the line is perfectly crisp.